Morning everyone. Right, I'm off to New College now to go and do a talk about being a sole trader and how the difference between being a sole trader and a limited company. Yeah, it will be good. I've never done this kind of thing, so excited and nervous all at the same time, but yeah, one way to start your week. Go and talk to a load of 18-year-olds about starting your own business, even though you've only just done it for a week, so. So my name's Edward White, I'm from @Life. I've only just started my company and taken it full time for like the last week, so yeah. I've made my first business investment, as you would say. Investment number one. Coffee machine. Yeah, it was like £59 from Argos. And I was like, I'm going to be spending most of my days here. So it's either me going to Costa. I mean, I could drink instant coffee, but I'm quite a coffee snob. So I will definitely be turning it into a coffee hipster. And I think what would make quite cool video content is if I had a different type of coffee every week, so like go for like the niche kind of unique coffee blends and then just like review them as the week goes on, make a cool video content to go with it, and then yeah, don't know, just ideas, and I'll let you know how it goes. I'll unbox it and then we can I'm gonna send out the friend because I know it cuts me off. Right, I'll unbox it and let you know how it goes, and then I'll make my first coffee.
Sit there, baby, come and grab my body, 'cause my feelings going, wanna climb my mountain. Grab me a small poem, put my favorite song on, gather all my senses, be my refuge island. Yes, yes, you chose my station, now we are surfing the channels. Fast forward with all your forces, you might receive every motion. Yes, yes, nothing's the matter, we are climbing the ladders, flipping, mixing the colors we never thought we've got.
Yo, hello there vlog. So right, this is the start of a new week. I forgot to vlog last week, but I was just having a shit week. Let me turn my music off so you can actually hear me. Yeah, I was having a really shit. For it was kind of just worrying about what was gonna happen. In terms of like money and stuff like that, I think yeah, I was just worrying a little bit. I'm definitely in a better mood now. Morning everyone, it's Tuesday morning. I hope you had an amazing Monday. I've bought one of these. I can't remember if I've mentioned it to you guys, but it's called the 5-minute journal. It's basically, you just write down 3 things that you're grateful for, 3 things that would make today great, and a daily affirmation. I'm finding it's been working, but I've only just like the second day I've done it, so yeah, I'll definitely let you know how it goes. It's very early in the morning, but I like getting up early. Like I still feel tired, like there's still that like, but I'm now going to meditate, which I do using the Headspace app. I'm not sure if I've mentioned it before. Yeah, I probably have. It's a really good guided meditation app that you can use to there's loads of different courses, not courses, but like, so there's one on stress, there's one on anxiety, loads of different kind of sections, and then you can do it. I'm really tired, so yeah, I'm going to do some meditation, make a coffee, and then just get on with some work. Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 5:52.
Time to meditate. Bye.
South 91, Big 68. Go ahead. Yes, sir. If you can descend block 260.
Take a deep breath and get in. sing. Our favorite songs will be king. What you got, we have got it. What you got, we have got it. What you got, we have got it. What you got, we have got it.
Right, really productive morning this morning. I am going to go meet Tracy Kernock. She owns a makeup agency. Just going to go for a walk in the park. Sorry, my camera. There you go, that's better. Going to go for a walk in Lydia, take a dog for a walk, get a coffee, just have a chat, that kind of thing. Done loads of work today and feel really good. But I was thinking, like, the reason why we, like, I think you can't really complain about stuff. You need to kind of understand that everything you do is your fault. Don't blame other people and that kind of thing. And it's like, I think when I was having my kind of bad mood last week, I was kind of, I just thought to myself, like, this is my fault. I chose to do this. I think everything in life, really, it's your fault. And if you can do that, and if you can change your mindset to do that, it's so much better. Right, let's go and take a dog for a walk. Hey Google, start the alarm. Morning everyone, it's 5:05. Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 5:12.
There you go. So I'm gonna get out today. I want to do some content. The content I want to do is I want to catch the sunrise, because I did the sunset for my personal brand page. I want to catch the sunrise because I think it's going to be a really nice day today, and I just think it's going to look really cool. First things first, shower, meditate, and then coffee. Yeah.
Close your eyes with me, start imagining a world full of love. We can change the stars with our hands and hearts, make them shine on us. But no, don't worry, darling, they won't stop staring.
Morning everyone, it is about 6:30. I'm just about to leave. Need to make sure that I've got everything. There you go, there's my alarm, 6:30, to say get out the door.
I'm
at the Hackpin Hill, which is like my favourite place. And I'm not sure if you can see behind me, but yeah, the sun's starting to come up. Yeah, I just wanted to make a video of the sunrise really, and then I'll do that for you guys, and then I'll edit it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and don't worry, I've got my coffee.
Is it? That's mine, Daddy. You get for everyone. Don't talk about anything.
So this is at Millet's Farm. This is the pumpkin, pick your own, and yeah, really good for marketing, really good for social media. So if you look at the place by Millet's Farm on Instagram, you can see that they've got just loads and loads of white girls posting pictures of pumpkins, and like loads of mums and influencers and that kind of thing, like really good marketing. And if you look over there, gotta see how busy it is and how many people. Yeah, came in here with Bella, got a pumpkin. Bye.